again, and today we're going to try the new 9.6 in the striped bag there. It's actually not new. I don't know how old it is, but I would guess it's at least 30 years old, and it could be as old as 50 years. I don't know. It's a 9.6 Sunshine CC Rider, shaped and signed by Claude himself down in Cocoa. I found it in a barn about 40 miles west of here. Bought it the other day, and I'm going to try it out. We got some small surf, I don't know, waist high maybe, wind's offshore right now. Tide's coming in, so we'll go out there and give it a whirl. Hey, see you out there. Don't forget, God loves you just because you're you. That is the truth. My name is Mike Green, and I'm here to tell you the truth. So let's take a look at this thing. 9.6 Sunshine CC Rider, made in Cocoa Beach, Florida. 9.6 pintail single fin. Got some pressure dings on the bottom. We don't really care about that, do we? Heck no. Let's see what the deck looks like. Well, there's the deck. 9.6 round pintail, shaped by Claude in Cocoa Beach. I'm not sure, like I said, when this board was made. It's definitely either older or a retro board. We'll see. I'm gonna try and get enough wax on it. That may be a job, to take it out and try it out in the surf.